Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into the world of Nugget ice makers, focusing on two standout models, the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the Deep Black Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver chewable ice for your drinks, but which one truly stands out? Let's explore their features, performance, and more. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker boasts a sleek stainless steel design that not only looks great, but also promises durability. On the other hand, the Deep Black Nugget Ice Maker features a modern black finish that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Both designs are visually appealing, but your choice may depend on your personal style preferences. When it comes to performance, the Free Village model produces up to 34 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, while the Deep Black model slightly edges ahead with a production rate of 35.5 pounds. This means if you're hosting a party or need ice for daily use, the Deep Black model might be the better choice for those who need a bit more ice on hand. Both ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, making maintenance a breeze. The Free Village model offers a one-click operation for easy cleaning, while the Deep Black model includes a convenient handle for portability. This makes both machines user-friendly, but the choice may come down to whether you prioritize ease of cleaning or mobility. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Deep Black Nugget Ice Makers have their unique strengths. Whether you prefer the sleek stainless steel design or the modern black finish, both machines promise to deliver delicious nugget ice for your beverages. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.